Now we would be looking at the steps for setting up Spark in your system. I am going to be using Windows operating system as my reference, particularly Windows 10 because that's my system. So there are two steps involved for getting you set up with Spark. The first one is downloading the latest version and all of its dependencies, and second is to set up the environment variables. We will first start with downloading the latest version. So to download Spark, you can go to spark.apache.org and go to the downloads page and download the latest version from there. Second, we will be needing a executable file called WinUtils, which can be found at this GitHub link over here. Besides these two things, we will also be needing a program to handle compressed files. It could be 7-zip, WinZip, or any other freeware of your choice. In your C drive, create a directory for Spark. I am using this given directory over here, which is C big data local setup Spark, and paste the files from the first link, that is the spark apache.org download link, and extract the files and paste them in a folder called Spark. The second downloadable file, that's the winutils.exe, we will be placing them in a separate directory which is located over here. Now over here you can see the download pages for both of these files. So this is what the Spark download page looks like, and this is the GitHub page. Here's the download button where you can download the executable file. The second step is setting up the environment variable. So for that we would begin with clicking on Start, edit system environment variables and new. Over there we will be adding two new values. For the first value, it's going to be variable name is going to be Spark, and the value is going to be the path for where we had extracted the files. The second variable name is going to be Hadoop_home, and the value is going to be the path where we pasted the .exe file, which was right here. After that, we click on OK and then click on the path variable which already exists over there, and enter these details by clicking on new. That's %spark_home %/bin and %hadoop_home %/bin. After that, you click on OK and start command prompt and start Spark. If everything is done properly, it should start. Here are a couple of screenshots just for your reference and about how to set up the environment variables. So this was step 1 in the start menu. After start menu, we go into edit the system environment variables. We go into edit variables, we create a new variable over there. We create Spark home with the variable value being the path of the folder where we extracted the files. The second variable name being Hadoop_home, where we pasted the .exe file. After that, when we click on path, which is over here, this is going to be our new. Over here we will be creating the new values, that's %spark_home/bin, and same for Hadoop. If done correctly, all of this would lead to